When we think about motorcycle gear, we usually focus on the heavy hitters, the leather jackets, the armored jeans, the boots. But what about the gear that actually touches your skin all day? Today we're doing a deep dive into the premium protection with a brand that has been crushing the minimalist, high-tech gear market, Pando Moto. Today we have 4 of their heavy-hitting base layers: the Shell UH 03 zip-up shirt, the Skin UH AAA Pants, the Shell WW Black 02 bodysuit, and the BA Black bodysuit. We're going to look at the tech, the fit, and how these actually feel under a full riding kit. If you've been wondering if their high-end armored base layers are worth the investment, let's break it down. Let's start with the heavy armor pieces. This is a Shell UH 03 zip-up shirt paired with the Skin UH AAA Pants. What makes these special is the fabric technology. Pando Moto uses a dual-layered, power-stretch fabric made with high molecular weight polyethylene. Basically, it's incredibly abrasion-resistant while remaining highly breathable. The Shell UH 03 shirt is incredibly versatile. It comes with low-profile, triple-flex elbow and shoulder armor and a pocket for a back protector. Because it's full zip-up, it's ridiculously easy to take it on and off. Moving down, the Skin UH AAA pants are an absolute game-changer. Achieving a AAA safety rating in a base layer pant is incredibly difficult, but they did it. They have integrated hip and knee armor, but because the fabric hugs your body perfectly, the armor stays exactly where it needs to be without sliding around like it sometimes does in loose riding jeans. If you want to turn any casual outfit or vintage jacket into a highly protective riding kit, this is the duo you're looking at. Next up, let's talk about a form factor that doesn't get enough love in the motorcycle world, the bodysuits. We have the Shell WW Black 02 and the BA Black bodysuit. If you've ever ridden in a tucked-in shirt or a standard base layer, you know the frustration. You lean forward into a riding position and your shirt rides up, exposing your lower back to the wind, or worse, the asphalt. Bodysuits completely solve this. The Shell WW Black 02, which I'm wearing right now, is engineered for optimal thermal regulation. It keeps you cool when it's hot and acts as an insulating layer when the temperature drops. It's thin, incredibly smooth, and features an ergonomic fit that feels like a second skin as opposed to tight leathers or textile jackets. Then we have the BA Black bodysuit. This piece leans heavily into that sleek, premium aesthetic without sacrificing the core functionality. The fabric feels luxurious, but tough. Both of these feature secure, comfortable closures that you don't even feel when you're riding, and they streamline your entire outfit, eliminating bulk around the waistband. All right, let's talk about the actual experience of wearing these. The biggest compliment I can give to Pando Moto's base layers is that you forget you're wearing them. With traditional armored shirts, the fabric can feel scratchy or restrictive, but here the bi-stretch fabric moves with your body. The breathability across all 4 pieces is exceptional. They wick sweat efficiently, which is critical because moisture control is what actually keeps you comfortable on long, multi-hour stints. And one thing to note on sizing, these are European designed and meant to be skin tight to keep the armor secure. Don't be surprised if they feel snug when you first put them on. That's exactly how they're meant to protect you. When we talk about true protection, it comes down to the tech woven into the gear itself. These pieces are built with Pando Moto's proprietary BALISTEX fabric. It's an incredible material that's actually 15 times stronger than steel, yet it maintains this incredible power stretch quality. What really impresses me is how this fabric manages heat. It's highly conductive, which means it actively helps dissipate body heat to keep you cool, even when you're layered up under your normal clothes. It's essentially ballistic grade protection that feels like a second skin, giving you that secure fit where the armor stays exactly where it needs to be. Safety isn't a guessing game, so let's break down the protection levels for each of these 4 pieces. The Shell UH 03 shirt and the Shell WW Black 02 bodysuit both carry a CE Performance Level AA rating, which is fantastic for versatile everyday riding. If you're looking for the absolute peak of protection, the Skin UH AAA leggings and the BA Black bodysuit both step up to the CE Performance Level AAA rating, providing the highest level of abrasion resistance available in this category. Across the board, you're getting integrated, low-profile SAS-TEC armor that keeps you protected without the bulk of traditional gear. So what's the final verdict? Pando Moto isn't just making basic clothing. They're making highly engineered performance gear. If you want maximum standalone protection to wear under regular clothes, get the Shell UH 03 and Skin UH AAA combo. If you want a flawless, aerodynamic silhouette under your existing riding gear with zero bunching, the Shell WW 02 or the BA bodysuit are the way to go. They are an investment, absolutely, but considering how they dictate how comfortable you feel when you're on your bike and add a massive layer of safety, they are worth every penny. I'll leave the links to all 4 pieces in the description below, but drop a comment and let me know, are you a bodysuit rider or a traditional 2-piece fan? Don't forget to ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.